guys, this is Abhishek from GadgetStudios.com, and today we are here at the LG booth at Mobile World Congress 2014, and we have the LG G Pro 2. LG G Pro 2 is the next version of LG G Pro, which we have seen earlier, and this time it has become very different in terms of the display size and in terms of the design as well, because it has followed the new design which we have seen on LG G2. So LG G Pro 2 is definitely a lot more different than the LG G Pro which we have seen earlier. In terms of specifications as well, it has actually been upgraded. So this is how the device looks like. It is a pretty decent device, pretty big as well. It has got a 5.9-inch IPS LCD display. It is a full high definition display which we have on this device, and as you can see, it is slightly larger as well to hold in one hand because it is 5.9-inch. But being a 5.9-inch display device, it is pretty light as well in terms of the weight. So you can easily hold this device in one hand and you won't feel the weight of it, and that is something which we can tell you. As far as the backside is concerned, the backside has got a matte finish cover which again can be removed just like the G Pro. So we can remove this back cover and then we can actually see the SIM card slot. This is a single SIM device. The single SIM will go over here, and on top of SIM card, SIM card you have the slot for this micro SD memory card. So you can expand the storage of the device with the micro SD memory card. It will come with 16GB and 32GB variant. Here we have the camera. The camera on the device is a 13 megapixel camera with optical image stabilization, and then you have the same kind of design as far as volume rocker is concerned on this device itself. You have the volume rocker, again pretty good in terms of the look and feel, very premium. Good quality of plastic which they have used. This is also plastic but very good texture design which they have, matte finish. Easy to hold this device with one hand. You have the loudspeaker over here. When it comes to the front camera, let me just tell you about the front camera. And before we tell you about the front camera, look at the display. So the display on this device is a full high definition display. The weight of the device is around 172 grams, which is again fairly good for a display device of this size. So you can easily hold this device in one hand. The only problem is that it feels a little bit larger to hold in one hand. The dimensions of the phone in terms of thickness is 8.3mm, which is again not too thick and not too thin as well. You have a nice chrome lining going on the edges, which does make this device look good. On the top you have the 3.5mm audio jack. Here you have the secondary microphone. Over here you have the IR blaster. At the back side you have LED flash, 13 megapixel camera, volume rocker, power and sleep key in chrome finishing. Over here we have nothing, no button. We have a little indent to remove the back cover. On the bottom we can see that we have a primary microphone over here, and this is actually right now secured. The micro USB port is actually behind this, and when it comes to the front, you do have LED notification light as well, proximity and ambient light sensors as well, and there we have the VGA camera. So here we have the device, as you can see, and talking about this device in terms of specifications, this device is running with the Snapdragon 800 chipset, which is the latest chipset. The battery is 3200 milliampere hour battery. You have Android 4.4 KitKat running on this device. The UI is again the LG UI which we have seen earlier, and again let me just go into the settings to show you the version of Android. And before we do that, let me just change the language. We are under settings as of now, and let me just show you the version of Android which is running on this device. The version of Android, if we take a look, is 4.4.2. So it will be running Android 4.4.2 once it comes to India, and this will be the same configuration which will come to India, and it may not support LTE only. That will only be the difference. Apart from that, if we take a look at the storage scenario as of now, here we have the storage, and on storage front we have the 32GB version of LG G Pro 2 as of now, and out of which around 22.23GB is available. We have around 23.90GB available on the 32GB version. You do have support for micro SD memory card, but again you won't be able to install applications on the micro SD memory card. When it comes to the RAM on this device is a 3GB RAM, and as of now, as you can see, around 1.18GB is being used and only 0.96GB is free. But still the device is responsive, and I cannot notice any kind of lag in this device. So the device is definitely a very good device in terms of the overall performance and features as well. And when we take a look over the language and input keyboard settings, let me just show you the phone dialer first of all. So once we open the phone dialer, on the phone dialer we have the option of making a video call as well. So you can make a high definition video call from the front camera or from the rear camera. Both of them supported. When it comes to the other settings, when we take a look over the messaging application, this is how the messaging application looks like. The messaging application has this kind of a keyboard which again can be changed. You have different kind of language keyboard which you can opt for. Again, the keyboard keys are pretty big in size, so you won't have any problem on this 5.9-inch display, and you do not have continuous input supported. That is something we can confirm within the messaging application as of now. And if we take a look over the other settings, we do have support for GPS navigation as well on this device. As you can see, you can use this device for GPS navigation without any issues. In all, this device looks like a pretty decent device. In terms of the overall form factor, this device is good. The overall hardware specification of the device is top notch, and again, it is going to be priced high as well, because LG is definitely going to launch this device more than 30,000 rupees approximately, which will make it pricey. When we talk about the front has Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection, so it will resist to the fingerprint and scratches to an extent. When we talk about the RAM is 3 GB, whereas the micro SD card supported up to 64 GB on this device. When we talk about the flash, you do have LED flash at the back side. The front camera is 2.1 megapixel camera, can record high definition video at 720p as well as at 1080p, and the rear camera can also do that same. And again, when it comes to the GPU is Adreno 330. The processor is quad-core 2.26 GHz, carry at 400 cores. When it comes to other things, the battery is 3200 mAh. So this device looks like a decent device in terms of the overall phablet you can think of. And let me just show you the camera quality finally, to show you how does this device actually perform when it comes to taking a photo. Let me just take a photo of my Lenovo Vibe Z. So once we unlock it, here we have the device, and let me just take a photo of this device as of now. So once we take a photo, as of now we are taking this photo in artificial light, and let me just disable the flash first of all. So we have disabled the flash, and let me just take this photo. We have a lot of reflection moving over here, so the photo may not be that good. Let me just take the photo of my iPhone 5. So here we have the iPhone 5, and let me just take a photo. It does have autofocus and tap to focus while taking a photo from the rear camera. From the front camera, it is strict focus, and this is how the photo looks like. The photo looks really good, I would say. The photo looks good in terms of the colors as well as in terms of the details. So the camera does perform pretty good, especially in this artificial light. It has performed pretty well. In low light, it will perform much better. So that's all from us as far as the quick hands-on review of the LG G Pro 2. Do let us know if you have any specific question for this device. We would love to help you. You can like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.